All right, welcome back to how to use it. This is where we give you awesome instructions on some of the best products on the planet. Today I'm going to be covering how to give your dog a bath. So I've got 7 easy steps. Step 1, you need a bath brush. This bath brush I think is awesome. It's sold by Dashka on Amazon. We'll add this in the product link below. But as you can see, it's a solid brush, has bristles to be able to clean your dog. Okay. You also need shampoo. You can get, there's plenty of shampoos on the market, but I love using this dog brush. Okay, so first thing you do is wet the dog. Make sure you remember, don't get water in your dog's ears. Okay. Some veterinarians recommend putting cotton balls in the ears. I didn't really want to do that. I'd rather just not get water in the dog's ears. After you wet your dog, apply your shampoo. You can apply it directly to their coat, or I like applying it right to the bath brush. Wash from the neck, the back, and the legs. That's the best pattern. You want to brush in the direction you want the hair to grow, but this will stop from any ingrown hairs being caused. Then you want to rinse him one time, and a lot of times you rinse your dog, they'll want to shake. So if you just hold the back of your dog's neck, it'll stop them from shaking. Okay? Repeat the process as many times as you need until your dog is super clean. Rinse your dog again, dry your dog off, and you're all done. If you don't already own one, check out the link in the description below to get this brush that I'm using in this video.